even see our booth because there were so many people crowded around, and they were all buying our delicious pecan yummies. This is a wonderful show because we have so many repeat customers come every year because they know how great all the crafts are, not just pecan yummies. So we really enjoy being here, and we actually drove here from South Carolina just to be at the show.
So we're the Foothills Weavers and Spinners Guild. We've been coming to the McLean show for about 30 years, and we like to give demonstrations of spinning and weaving to the public.
The French alpaca is my business, and this is yarn that I spun with the elastic right into the yarn, so when you knit it, it keeps its shape.
The name of my business is Tassel Totes. My name is Cindy Parzik. I'm from the Pennsylvania area and come down to the Virginia area a few times now. This is my second year at McLean, and I just love this show.
This is our first year here. We sell maple syrup, homemade apple butter, and hickory syrup, as well as nuts and fudge and things like that. So lots of sweet things.
She felt an energy in it, and that's the thing. And so when she put it on, it was like she lit up.